Flip phones may appear to be a thing of the past, especially for those who are constantly on the lookout for the latest smartphone. They are, nonetheless, still a very popular tool. Many people choose to use a flip phone on a regular basis. The best flip phone for you will operate with your selected cellular provider, fit your budgetary needs, and have all of the features you need to remain in touch with coworkers and loved ones. The Itant Singular Flip 4 is ideal for folks who want to combine their love of smartphones with their love of flip phones. This phone is designed primarily for Android users, so it will appeal to them. It also has a long battery life and can access several smartphone capabilities, like YouTube on the go. This gadget combines the features of a flip phone with a smartphone, providing many of the same advantages. However, one significant disadvantage is that this phone is only compatible with Itant as a carrier. This phone will not work with other plans or carriers. If you're an Itant subscriber looking for a flip phone, this could be the best option. You'll have everything you need thanks to the inexpensive pricing, good battery life, and integrated SIM and SIM key. The Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 is unquestionably a feature increase over the Itant Singular Flip 4, despite its higher price. It's a genuine smartphone that folds in half at the middle for convenient storage and transport. The camera is far better than other flip phones, and on level with most smartphones. You may use its two displays to run two distinct apps at the same time, one for each side. This sort of capability is quite useful for multitasking and editing photos as they are being taken. This is an excellent flip phone for any usage, with a tiny design, a high-quality camera, and a variety of color options. This is the phone for you if you want to keep most of the perks of a smartphone while also enjoying the benefits of a flip phone. This is one of the greatest and most up-to-date flip phones available. It comes with a 2.8-inch display, a quad-core CPU, and GPS. You can see your incoming calls and texts on the phone's outside display. In addition, the battery has an excellent standby duration of 16 days. The phone's 2MP camera can capture HD video, and thanks to 4G LTE, you can still transfer films to your pals without the poor rates of previous generation 2G and 3G networks.